So ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin, meron tayong challenge kay Baby Daddy. Ipapa-pronounce natin sa kanya yung mga mahihirap na i-pronounce sa Tagalog. Are you ready?
Yes.
You're gonna pronounce some words in Tagalog that is hard to pronounce.
Alright.
Okay. So, one thing is nakakapagpabagabag. This one.
Nakakapakagadabango.
Baby Daddy, it's nakakapagpabagabag.
Nakakapabapakaganga.
No! Nakakapagpabagabag.
Nakakabapakapagkababa.
Okay. You did your best. But if you read it, try. Try to read it.
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Yeah, that's it. It means worrisome. Next. Kumukuti-kutitap.
Kumukukutiktika.
No. Kumukuti-kutitap.
Kumukumukutitita.
Kumuku.
Kumuko.
Kutitap. Kumukuti.
Kumukutitata.
Kumukuti. Kumukuti.
Kumukuti.
Kutitap.
Kutita.
Kumukuti-kutitap.
Kumukukunatita.
No. Kumukuti-kutitap.
Kumukukumutakita.
It means twinkling.
Mm.
Okay. Next. It means amazing. You always say the word amazing to me, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in Tagalog, it's kagilagilalas.
Kagila giliglas.
Kagilagilalas. Kagilagilalas.
Kagila giliglas.
Kagilagilalas.
Kagila giliglas.
Yan. So,
You are Kalila giliglas.
that's amazing. Okay? How about this? Rumbling. It in English it's rumbling. Dumadagundong. Dumadagundong.
Dumadagungudong.
Yeah, dumadagundong. Dumadagundong.
Dumadadadungong.
No, baby daddy. Dumadagundong.
Dumadadungong.
You said a bad word. You didn't realize. But it's okay. Commercial means patalastas.
Patalatast.
Patalastas.
Patalastas.
Yeah, you. That's perfect. Patalastas.
Patalastas.
Yes. Okay, how about this? Babababa.
Baba baba.
Yeah. That's going down. Babababa.
Baba baba.
Yeah. Bababa.
Baba baba.
Bababa.
Baba baba.
Yeah. How about bulaklak?
Bulalaklak.
Bulaklak.
Bulakalak.
Bulaklak.
Bulakalak.
That's flower.
You are my bulakalak.
Yes. I'm your bulaklak. Unbelievable means di ka pani-paniwala. Di ka pani-paniwala.
Di kapni kambakatapala.
Ano? Di ka pani-paniwala.
Di kapni paniniwala.
Di ka pani-paniwala.
Di kapni paniniwala.
Yeah. It's near, meaning those. Mga.
Maga.
Mga.
Manga.
No. Not mangga. Mangga means mango. It's those. It's mga.
Ma.
Mga.
Manga.
Mga.
Manga.
Yeah. Okay. Off means it's like the flower of Marie, something like that. The off means nang.
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 Nang. Yeah. Okay, and then this is the last word. It's really, for me, it's also hard. It means most disturbing. So, pinaka nakakapagpabagabag. Yeah.
That one's hard. Mama.
Yeah. Pinaka nakakapagpabagabag.
Pinakapatikada ka sa
No.
madabaga.
Pinaka
Pinaka.
nakakapag
Pinaka nakapakata.
pinaka nakakapagpabagabag.
Pinaka ng barigabo.
Is it hard, baby daddy? It's pinaka nakakapagpabagabag.
Pinahan papat din ng madabaga.
Nakakapagpagabagab.
That
Nakakapag
one's hard.
super hard?
Pinakadabag ka puno bababa. Yeah.
No. No. So, do you still wanted to learn Tagalog even if it's hard?
Yes.
Okay. So, that's it. I hope you enjoy guys watching. Thank you. Thank you, baby daddy.